Okay, so here we have a conjecture. We're going to work on an exercise. I would like you to go through the steps. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay? It's a bit of a puzzle. And it's a self-discovery where you have to figure out things on your own. But if you need any help, I'll be more than happy to give you hints. Okay, go ahead.
Step 1. Choose a trapezoid from trapezoids and cut along its perimeter.
So, have you decided to choose which trapezoid together?
That one. No, this one.
No, this one.
Okay.
2. Trace the trapezoid into the box below. Label our trapezoid.
Do you want a ruler to make it more straight, Mario? Okay. Okay, quick question. Do you know any difference? Did you know anything about the base, the bottom and the top base, about their length?
Yeah.
What?
They're not the same.
They're not the same. Okay. So, have you ever seen in the formula chart, what do they call them? B or B1 and B2?
B1 and 2.
Okay, so could go ahead and label B1 and B2. Okay. What's the next question?
3. Cut the trapezoid in half using a cut the trapezoid in half using a cut that is parallel to its bases.
Okay. So you need to cut that into half parallel to the base. So what is parallel to the base, Diana?
A straight line.
Does anyone know what parallel means?
Right. Yeah, I know what parallel means.
Okay, so if you're gonna do if I want to in a book, right, a notebook, when I want to cut fold the paper into half and then draw a line in the middle, would I get a perfect half? Yes or no?
Wait, yeah.
Yes. So how could I get a perfect half for this one over here? For this
Folded?
trapezoid? Folded. Okay. Am I gonna fold it like, yeah, so is that, hold on. Okay, so parallel, actually, this base is parallel to this base. So if I know this is parallel to this, then parallel means what? Means, is it going to be like this or like this?
Like this.
Yes. Okay, so go ahead and fold it into half. No, parallel. That's not parallel, it's vertical to the base. It's not perpendicular. Here, look, like this. See? I want to fold it parallel, make sure the tips touch each other. Okay. And go ahead and open it. Okay. So then what do you need to do next with that?
Cut it.
Okay. Come on in. Okay, excellent. So now what's the next question?
Rearrange the two pieces you now have to create a parallelogram.
Okay, traced. Okay,
Mhm.
so now this is the big puzzle. You have to put those together so that you can make a parallelogram. What happened to it?
She dropped it.
That's okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and. Okay. So. I know you need to put some input if you have an idea how to make it look like a parallelogram.
This?
See, that's a trapezoid, so you need to make it look like a parallelogram. If you look at the board, that means you need to make it look like this. You need to make it look like this. Right? So how can you do it? No. Look what let's read it again. Thank you. It says rearrange. What does it mean when I say rearrange? Okay? Rearrange. So like rearrange is that I can put it in a certain way, like a puzzle. When I put them together, I'm going to make a parallelogram. Okay? It could be, if I do this, I'm just getting my trapezoid back. If I do this, then the lines are not, they're disconnected. They have to be connected. The sides are no more closed, they're open. So I can do other things. I can put them next to each other. That's my hint for you. So let's see if we can do it.
Oh, I know.
You know?
That.
But see now? No, they have to be next to each other. But now you just have a trapezoid upside down. You don't have a parallelogram. The base is different. The size of the base is different from the other base. See? You're still having that. Okay, how about this? If I move it, I know that I have to have the same base. Okay? I know that the sides have to be closed. So, what happens if I do this? Does this work? No. How about no? Does this look like a trapezoid?
No.
Does it look like a parallelogram?
No.
Are the side of the base and the base parallel to each other? Okay, I want you to trace that out. Trace it out and tell me what you get. So go ahead and connect it. 1 second. Okay, trace. Be careful. Okay. No, that's okay. That's okay. You didn't do anything wrong. I'm going to get a ruler and trace over. Oh. 1 second. Where's the pencil?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I can do is I can fix this. I can see this is my corner here. So I can, and I know that I can extend this, right? So I can go ahead and extend this line. Extending this line will help me connect the points the right way. And then, okay. And then yeah, this one is almost straight, but it's not. But I can connect two endpoints. Okay. And then, okay. It's a nice eraser. So I just fixed it up for you guys, okay? So don't worry, you didn't mess up. So now does this look like a parallelogram?
Mm-hmm.
It does, right? So have you just changed the trapezoid to a parallelogram just now? Yes. Okay. So, quick question. Could you look over here? Let's look at this. Let's look at the trapezoid. So now what happened? What did I do with this top part? I cut it into half, right? So I went and cut it into half, like right here somewhere. And then what did I do?
Fold it.
Okay. And then when I cut it with the scissor, I basically flipped the top part and I put it next to here. So look how long. Is this longer than this?
Mm-hmm.
So could you say this plus this is equal to this whole thing over here? The whole base?
Yeah.
You can see that? Okay. So instead of B, what can I call this base? If I have this plus this over here, what can I call it? Ayana, any idea? Because, like for example, I can, if Mari is in the classroom, Mari is alone. Ayana comes in, and so it could be, who's in the classroom? Mari and Ayana. Okay, so Mari plus Ayana, or M plus A. Okay, so now over here, this base was alone, so it's just B2. And this B1 was over here in the top, but now they're together, added together to make one longer line. So I could call it what then?
Base.
Yeah, you can call it base, but I can also call it B1 plus.
Parallel. Parallel.
What, John? You can speak.
Oh, I can talk?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just recording.
You can talk. What do you think it'll be?
B3.
You can call it possibly B3. But what's B3 equal to then?
B4.
No.
B2.
Is B3 equal to B2 only?
No, it's also equal to B1.
Okay, so is it only equal to B2?
No.
Or is it equal to B2 and B1? B2 and B1.
Both.
So how could you write that down there?
B1.
B1. And then what?
B2.
B2. Okay. And what's the word for and in the math symbol?
For what?
For the math, what's the math symbol for and? What sign do we use for and?
X. This. Plus. A dot.
Plus. No, dot is multiple.
Oh, I thought you said and.
And means plus. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. So then, show me the height of the parallelogram. Show me the line for it.
13 minutes.
Okay. So it's gonna be, you mean, remember, it has to be vertical. Okay. There you go. So this is my height, right? Okay. So now, what is the area of the parallelogram gonna be? How do you find it? What's the formula? What are you multiplying?
Base times height.
Base times height. Okay, good. But in this case, what's our base over here?
1 and 2.
So write then B1 plus and then you're going to times it by what? H. So then you need to close your bracket, right, for PEMDAS. So if you close your what does parentheses? What are you going to whatever you do with parentheses, that's what the first thing you're going to do. So what are you going to do before multiplying? You're going to add. Okay, so you're going to and then put a parentheses. Exactly. Okay, so guess what? If this area is equal to this area, then the area of a trapezoid, so A, right, A equals, guess what? If these are equal, you can use this formula then. Excellent. So now we're saying that the area of this trapezoid, which is equal to this area, is B1 plus B2, B1 plus B2 times H. Okay, thank you.